So the first pack of hair is over, and this is how, okay, let me just stand up. So this is how it is looking so far. The back is as good as done. So it's just the front bit. Oops. So basically the front part. Hi guys, it's the next day. I got tired. I attended an event yesterday, so I couldn't finish, but okay, let me just move it here. I'll just fill up this tiny spaces. Then I've already done the sides. It's just filling up the front kidogo, and then I'll be done. So guys, I am done, and this is how my beautiful baby looks like. Yep. So just going to comb and spray the hair. You don't want to know where I got this comb from because it has been long since I combed my hair. Remove this hanaguka. See this hair that has tangled. Yep. And then oops, I try it on. Okay, let me just get it up here so that when I hold it, you can see how far we are going. So this is how it looks. I want it to be like this so that my hairs, natural hair, to cover this band. Yep. How does it look? I actually really like this one. I feel like this one is a little bit more, what can I say, my color, and also straight hair is just like natural hair, you know, and it's not that big, so I feel like it's not that bad. Yes, or I am just getting used to this. I think I am. Not really. I think I really like this one. I think I really like this one. I'm just going to try and tie it. I don't mind it. I actually like it. Yeah, so you can see. Very pretty, very, very pretty. I can tie it like this. I just use rubber bands. I have lots of rubber bands. There's a place where I have like a online thrift store for shoes. So whenever I go to buy shoes, I'm always asking for rubber bands. So these guys decided that they're going to give me rubber bands that are going to last me a lifetime. What do you pay mziga rubber bands? Like literally barely a rubber band. Let me see. What am I going to do with all this? Yeah. See, all this. I mean, but I'm so grateful. I'm grateful.
Where are you?
I'm filming.
You're filming?
Yep. I really, 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 really like this. So yes. Oh, I think this looks a lot more better. If I am ever going to wear this wig, this is how I'm going to wear it. I feel like it looks nice and cute, so I'm just going to take a few photos, film myself. I did good. You can't even tell me anything. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on this wig? I think I really nailed it. So comment down below and tell me what you think about it. And thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share. Like, comment down below and subscribe to join the Arty Farm. I'm always trying new things for you guys, so join the family. Yes. And until next time, bye guys.